This is the estimated loss incurred due to the death of cows as a result of inadequate healthcare management in United States. Meet Sarah Potts. She's a farmer and dairy specialist at the University of Maryland who owns a dairy farm with a herd of 1,000 cows. She noticed that some of her cows have been inactive and bloated. She calls the local vet who tells her that the cows are diseased and she had caught it late. The vet advised her that it is very important that she starts tracking the cow's health and symptoms day and night. In the US, more than 29 million cows suffer and die every year. So why are these cows dying? They are dying due to the diseases like respiratory infection, mastitis, and ketosis that leads to infertility and low milk production. And did you know 74.8% of these cows could have been saved if the infection had been diagnosed in a timely manner? One of the most serious concerns confronting the dairy sector today is the inability to detect diseases on time for cows. There are farms in US that manages the health of thousands of cows using manual checkup. The farms are huge. Farms are not equipped to check their symptoms. But Sarah doesn't need to worry anymore because she has Farm Plus. Farm Plus is a real-time livestock health and fertility monitoring and tracking system. Imagine a Fitbit for cows. We are developing our solution using insights from dairy farmers and vets who specializes in cattle behavior. We have also been collaborating with dairy cooperatives and milk producers within the United States. So, how does our solution work? The technology consists of a neck tag with an IoT sensor worn on the cow's neck, which behaves like an activity monitor. The neck tag picks up the physical parameters like movement using a variety of sensors on a circuit board. The data is then collected by a LoRa receiver and stored on our server in real time. All of this information collected is fed into our algorithm, which analyzes it and displays it on the Farm Plus dashboard. The IoT, which has inbuilt sensors, will map information based on data like grazing pattern, walking pattern, drooping of head, etc. Our deep learning algorithm has two functions. Firstly, identifying the irregularities and predicting diseases at an early stage. And secondly, predicting the optimum ovulation period for cows so that farmers can successfully make the cows pregnant using artificial insemination. We have successfully built the hardware of our MVP, which includes all of the sensors, and we are now at the stage of generating our baseline dataset with experts we are partnering with. Our technology will send farmers an automatic alert for each cow that is sick or ovulating day and night. We are building a solution for non-tech savvy dairy farmers. Our dashboard provides information in a straightforward and user-friendly manner. Now let's look at the target market for Farm Plus. To give you a rough estimate of the global market size, there are approximately 270 million dairy cows, and revenue from the dairy industry sums up to nearly around 915 billion US dollars. They are also validated by our initial customers. We are currently testing our MVP device with the Maryland extension and the United Dairymen of Arizona. Through our research and understanding of the problem, we know that the biggest hurdle for technology adoption by farmers is price and accuracy. Our competition is selling their technology for an average of $120 for each sensor. Our partnership with our Indian manufacturer builds the products at $25 for each sensor. Now let me introduce to the movers of Farm Plus. We are currently a team of 4 students from multidisciplinary backgrounds working to make Farm Plus a scalable business. Since our hardware MVP phase 2 is ready, our roadmap begins with developing and improving the accuracy of our algorithm with the data that is being currently collected. Our top 3 goals for the next phase of our product involves perfecting and testing our algorithm with the product team, testing our sensors and finding more lucrative hardware in terms of optimization, and also dip our toes into LLC formation.